guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria. For those of you who are new here, if you are new, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy this video today. I'm going to be curling my hair and showing you guys how I get my curls. I've had a few of you message me through my Instagram stories and ask me to make a hair tutorial because you guys like my curls. So here it is. It was really simple and I love the way it looks. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys have not subscribed. I will give you guys a second to go do that. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and begin. All right guys, so I took a shower earlier and I just allowed my hair to air dry throughout the day. Whenever I curl my hair, I always start out by brushing my hair. How cute is this brush? There's like little avocados on it. Next, I'm going to add this Rejuveniqe oil by Monat. Honestly, I am so obsessed with this. I've been using it in my hair and in my face with like my foundation lately, and it's just been doing wonders. I honestly don't even add a lot. I add maybe that much, and I just kind of add that to the palm of my hand. I just run it through my hair. I try to focus a lot on just getting my tips, not really my roots, because I don't want my hair to look oily, and it just helps like when you're curling your hair. I don't even add a lot. It keeps your hair intact and looking good. I know a lot of oils burn your hair when you add it before you add some heat, but this one does not. It is amazing. If you guys want to get hooked up with some of this oil, message me and I got you. Next, I am going to start parting my hair in sections. I'm just gonna grab a clip. You can use a hair tie, and I'm just going to separate that just like that. To take another one. This is how I part my hair. Now that it's all parted, I'm gonna go ahead and add some heat protective spray. I've been using this spray and I like it. I honestly don't know much about like good heat protective spray, so if you guys know any good ones, totally comment down below and recommend me some because I love recommendations. So I'm just going to add some, not too much, and I'm just going to start grabbing little sections and curling my hair. I am going to be using a 1-inch wand by Hot Tools, so I'm just gonna start curling my hair. The longer you hold it, the more of a curl. I kind of want like some wavy, beachy curls, so I'm just going to leave it up for maybe like 4 to 5 seconds and then let it down. And I don't really mess with my curls as I'm curling them. I like to like run my fingers through them after I'm done curling them. It just like looks better in my opinion. So this is how my hair looks when it's curly without me going through it, just like what the wand did to it alone. And then this is how my hair naturally is. I usually like to go back and just like look for spots that can get re-curled because I like my curls looking super voluminous. So my hair is done now. This is what it looks like. It looks so pretty. This is the part where I run my fingers through my hair and I basically just break all the curls apart. They basically calm down after this, and honestly I always curl this side a little bit more because I'm not going to be leaving my hair parted in half like this. I'm actually going to be grabbing a brush and I'm just going to just start parting my hair so that just like this much of my hair is at this side, and then I'm going to go back with my curler and I'm just going to start curling like this section of my hair and just get it a little bit curlier. That is basically all I do to curl my hair. I don't really use hairspray because I just feel like my hair naturally stays curly when I curl it, and the serum that I use, the oil, it is just like, it does wonders for my hair and it really leaves it styled and not frizzy. So this is what my hair looks like. I am completely obsessed with the way that my curls have been looking. Thank you guys so much for watching my first hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe if you guys have not subscribed. I would really appreciate that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.